Right, and today we're going to be talking about damp again. So, this is quite a short video actually. A little bit of brief history though. Previously, they've been an independent damp surveyor out and they weren't really happy with the advice. So I received a call, we had a little discussion about it all. Sent some pictures over and a report and what have you. We went through how we would do things differently and explained to them. So this type of survey I do on a regular basis. This is weekly, all the time we're doing this type of survey. Exposure, intrusive, invasive, finding out the root cause, and this is actually the root cause on this one. But stay tuned, watch this one, hopefully you might learn something. Thank you! Right, you can see there's a little round hole and the skirting board's been cut off where I checked to see if there's bridging in the damp proof course, and I've taken a plaster sample. There's lots of high readings at low level and it actually went up quite high considerably, considering. But you step outside, this is one thing I noticed straight away. Bang! New concrete path. Might mean nothing to some people, but when you're looking at this property, you're looking at this and trying to find out what's going on. So the camera's going down the drain. You can see there's quite a bit of damage around the drain, so it's going to lose a little bit of water from this downpipe here, which is, you know, understandable, but not that much, you would say. So when you start looking at it, you're putting the camera down there, and the camera then is loss of vision. It's basically stuck there. It's not going down. Remember, new concrete path. This is right in front of you now. I reckon someone's washed some concrete down there. They had. So we cut the concrete out, and this is what we found basically. After we'd cut the concrete out, you're coming back across here again, and what you can see is the camera is in the drain. We've gone round where it's been cut out, and now you can see roots. So these roots are literally going all the way through the drain there, and as you can see, I've got a nice catch. There's about 4 metres approximately of this. They're all growing through the displaced joints. And you can see here, what can we see? Bridge damp proof course. You can see it's wet beneath the damp proof course, but obviously where the plaster was going down, the damp was rising up there, and it was salt contaminant. So we knocked the plaster off, replaced it, repaired all the drain and put a lining system through. Thanks for watching.